Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today I wanted to do a more simple look, and I wanted to just match with my shirt. So this is the look that I came up with. This is from the Perception palette from BH Cosmetics with Makeup Shayla, and I actually used her whole collection. So the highlight here and also the lipstick and lip gloss are also from her collection. So if you do enjoy how this look came out, then please stay tuned. Please also continue to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue to grow our family. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye. Alright, getting started with our Brow Stylist Frame and Set from L'Oreal in Deep Brunette. The same brow routine, so I didn't really go too in-depth with it. I have other videos that are more in-depth if you want to see more on how I do my brows. We're going to just go ahead and go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer as our eye primer. So I'm going into this color called Culture. The color I'm going to go into is the color called Thick. Next thing we're going to do is go into this color called Revenge. Next we're going to go in with the color called Played Out. Okay, so now I just want to blend in this end here. So we're going to go in first with this color here called Played Out and just blend right on this end here. Then I'm going to go ahead and go into Revenge. Now I'm going to use my brow brush that I used, and I'm going to go into the color Played Out around where I created that crease, cut crease. And just so you guys know, I used one brush for all of the rest of the look that I created because I'm trying to use minimal brushes for people who may not have a whole lot of brushes. So this is going to be the tutorial for you if that is you. The brush that I used was this fluffy blending brush here. And now I'm going to use this flat brush here to go into this metallic September color. Now we're going to go back into the color played out with this flat brush that we used for the brows once again, just to outline the cut crease. Now we're going to go into the blending brush we used the whole time and just blend this out without adding any extra product at this point. Okay, so now I want to just blend this very outer end with a really deeper, darker color. Use this one here. This is like an e.l.f. brush, and it's just a small brush like this. And we're going to go into this color called Stallion right here. We're going to go into this color here called Revenge. I go into Unbothered for the inner corner highlight. We're going to go ahead and do our eyeliner, so I'm just getting that right now. Okay, so now I am going to go back in with this color called Played Out with this little shader brush. So at this point, my daughter was having an emotional breakdown, so I'm doing voiceover, but I'm using the e.l.f. Glow Lotion. I like to use this to add a little bit of glow to my face. Instead of doing like the highlighter thing, I like to do this. And then I'm using the Becca Evermatte Poreless Primer so that I can minimize some of my pores. Then I'm going in with the Maybelline 24 Hour Stay Foundation, and I mixed it with a different foundation because it's a little too dark. So this is my perfect combination. I'll link below what the foundation is. I don't remember exactly the name of it right now, but it is in one of my previous videos because this has been my concoction lately. And I'm just blending this into my skin. You guys don't even understand what's going on right now in the background. My daughter was like doing the most and having an emotional outburst. Even at some point during this, she came, you see that hand? At some point she came and like laid on my shoulder while I was doing my makeup, so it was just a hot mess. I'm telling you, when you're doing these videos with kids, you just don't know. There'll be a lot of stuff going on in the background, okay? They have a flare for the dramatic, but this is the LA Girl Cosmetics Pro Conceal in Pure Beige, and this is Beautiful Bronze. And those are what I use to highlight and contour. And we're just blending that out with the Real Technique sponge. And I wanted to get more into the areas that I wanted to reach, like under my eyes. So I got a flat concealer brush just so I can blend out the concealer portion. I like to go back and forth between a brush and a sponge just because I just feel like part of it blends it out, and then the other part just cleans up any like streaks. So just going back and forth between the two, you'll see that I'd like to do that a lot. Now we're going in with the Sacha Buttercup powder. This is my go-to, and I'm using that to set all of the areas where I put concealer. Now we're going in with the CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer. This is the bronzer I use like all the time. Super old and crusty, but it works, and it is one of my favorite bronzers. And it's from the Queen collection. And just blending in that inner corner just to make sure it's not too harsh, and then blending my contour once again. Then I'm just doing my highlight with my Buttercup powder once again to highlight all the areas around where I contoured. I'm really oily, so I like to, I'm combination oily, so I like to just really go in with the powder. And then this is an Ico mascara that I got from an Ipsy bag. And then back into the Shayla palette in the color September, and applying that underneath the eye. And then I did my inner corner highlight and my brow highlight. Now I'm going in with the Saharan Volume 2 palette from Juvia's Place for my blush. I went into a light pink color. And then I went into my Sacha, I'm sorry, not Sacha, the Shayla ColourPop Cosmetics highlighter in the color Boomin'. And you can see it is booming. That highlighter is everything. When I tell you it's perfect for my complexion, it's the perfect gold for my complexion. Sometimes golds are too peachy, sometimes they're too gold, but this one is like my favorite highlighter right now. It just is perfect. And I always blend out my highlight after I add it, and then I'm just adding the highlight to the inner corner as well. Now I'm using a brown lip pencil to outline my lips. Going in with the Shayla ColourPop with Ooh and also Quickie, and then the Need Free Gloss. And I love this lip combination. All right, honey. All right, beauties, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy how this look came out. I just wanted to do something that was more simple, but just a nice, clean, beautiful weekend look. This can be for like a girls' night out or just a daytime look. It's not really too smoky, but you could definitely smoke it out more if you wanted to create more of a nighttime look. But I really enjoy how it came out. I love my pinks and purples. And once again, I used the Perception palette from BH Cosmetics, and I used all of Shayla's collection. Definitely get your hands on it. It is a steal. And yeah, if you guys enjoy this look, let me know what you think below. Also, let me know if you have any other looks that you have in mind that you would like me to do. And please continue to like, share, and subscribe, so we can continue to grow our family. Thank you guys so much for your support. Bye-bye.